You are enough. You are enough. Exactly as you are. Don't follow the pressure of feeling a need to find some sort of perfection, some sort of answer or resolution to the conflicts, the turmoil, and the confliction that battles inside. Just be still. Breathe in and breathe out. Remember that your value and your worth does not come from your possessions, and it does not come from the things that you've been through. Your circumstances do not define you. Your status does not define you. Discover who you are and love who you are. You are a being, and your essence comes from something greater than yourself. Connect with what surrounds you. Connect with people. Connect with laughter. Connect with pain. Connect with sorrow. Connect with joy. And connect with the beauty that surrounds you. When you're tempted to wallow in self-pity and self-hate, remember to come back to a place of gratitude. Gratitude for the health flowing through your body. Gratitude for the smile on your face and the smile of those around you. Gratitude that you're here. Gratitude that you can breathe in. And gratitude that you can breathe out. Don't let life overcome you, but instead overcome life by remembering that you are made to overcome. Remember that everything you need is inside of you, not outside of you. Love yourself. Love life.